Good morning, Lab Lab.
Good morning.
Sa nato tong mga helmet na rin. Huwag tong tray billing. This is the jump off point and we are now starting the hike. Unsa na bukid, babe?
Where?
Not sure what that mountain is. But we saw Kitanglad and I saw dulang-dulang earlier po, babe. Because they're at Banglabaya. This is kulo or breadfruit, babe, ah. Breadfruit. Cute kayo. The people here are farmers because this place is in Bukidnon. Gonna descend down to the waterfalls. That view from up here. Wow, the river, the view deck. From here, you can already see the second waterfall. And we are going to descend down there and climb back up again. Stop over. Layover.
Babe,
It's paused pala.
kumi niya itong talo kay damak kami na ako sa U-box.
Padayon. So, padayon sa hike. We are wearing our matching hats. Hala, look. It looks like a vagina. Vagina. With a B. Going down, going down. Going down. So, after going down, we're now going up. Up, up, up and up. We've reached the view deck. Overlooking that one. There's a hidden waterfall there. Let's go and look for it. Tcharam! Reveal. Waterfalls reveal. So, na namin sa view deck and nagpalandong sa amin.
Ipakita ang view.
Wow! So nice. Mainitan ko, babe.
No, artik oy. Here, oh, look. There's the falls. Kani. Muna siyang Balangikog. Then, kato siya. Another one is Maya Falls. Diri may mo adto. Dol, isa. Sura. Ana, dali maadto.
Maya, babe.
Dili ko ganahan. Ganan ko sa Balangikog.
Guwapa man ko dito, babe, oh. Ang background.
Ay, pwede mo lahos na kay taas pa na time para magulas sa Balangikog.
Balangikog Falls. And I think I saw a rainbow down there. I'm not sure if it can be seen on camera. It's Balangikog Falls. And on the other side is the Maya Falls. Maya is technically a natural waterfall. It's just like a canal that runs from that farm over there. Then tagak ang iyang water. It's like a water outlet. Then that's the river running dito. Yeah. And sa atbang na mo sa space, there's a cafe there. They built a cafe and then their view is kani. The two waterfalls. This is the view deck. It's so cute out there. The talampas is so cute. We're going down. Nasad. I mean, going down and then going up that hill. And then, dito mi agi para maadto mi sa falls. See ya. Going up the hill. My baby. My baby's there already. So, dira di ang Cowboys Camp. Cowboys. Ano mi dira sunod? Pagbaba namin. So, bawal nimo adto sa maya-maya. Kinay dire sa. Give me chocolate. Okay, thank you. Yum. We've reached the river bend and it's kind of tricky in this part of the program. Ouch! Ouch! Are we going the right way? Ah, okay. Yes, we are. There's ano, hagdan. Yeah. Ikaw una, babe.
Nag-permit man daw siya.
Careful, love. Ako din ang mag-careful. Hala, look at the ano, the bato. Because of the river, it's like a sand na. It's this. Tawag. Eroded. Is that sand? Oh, I see. Okay. We're now going inside the jungle. There's a monkey in the jungle. The monkey is asking for water.
No, I will carry it for you kay naglisod ka.
So, muna na ikatong sa inyo dito sa pangpang dapit. We're finally here. That is the beautiful Balangkog Falls. Let's take a closer look. Look how windy it is. So windy. So windy. Put our hats off. It's trying to set up